Hey mob, hello and welcome to a Deadly Kindies online learning session. My name is Kendi and I work in the Deadly Kindies team, and I also work over at Birthing Now Community, and I've got my sis here.
Hey everyone, I'm Kim. I also work in Deadly Kindies.
Very good. All right, so before we start any learning sessions, we do an acknowledgement of country. It's so important. You can do this at kindy, at home, when you're on country, wherever you are. It's just really important to acknowledge the traditional owners and who've come before us, and acknowledge the land where we are. So,
and we do it this way, but there's plenty of ways you can do it.
Yeah.
You know, and if you're on country, it could be something silent. Could just be acknowledging the spaces around you.
Yeah. All right, let's get started. Here is the land. Here is the sky. Here are my friends, and here am I. We would like to acknowledge the traditional owners of the land on which we play, discover, and learn. Okay, just one more thing before we start our Deadly Book and activities. Kim, what have you got there?
I have this Deadly Choices birth certificate. Now, if you have a bub, or, if you're going to kindy, or if you're watching this at home, you can let your parents know. If you're a parent, you can go into the clinic if you've got a little one 0 to 5 and they're up to date with their health check and their immunisations. They're eligible for one of these Deadly Choices birth certificate packages. Here we have the Torres Strait Islander one.
Beautiful.
You get different ones, hey?
Yeah, Broncos ones I've seen.
Yeah, there's
Cowboys.
different ones. But as well as this one, you get a legal birth certificate.
Yeah, and that's really important, isn't it? Because you need that to be enrolled into childcare, kindy, lots of different things you need that birth certificate for. So how deadly that you can get this and then the legal document as well.
Yeah, and you know what? Like, it's free. So even if you have one and you want to get another one, just in case, you might as well. And you get a deadly one too.
Yeah, your judge can put it up in their room, celebrate their culture, take a lot of pride in it. It's got everyone's names up on there. So yeah, real deadly. Okay, sis, we've got a story here today. My Body. So this one is written by Maureen Yanawana, maybe?
Yeah.
Illustrated by the children from Grange Remote Community School. And then it's been photographed by our fella called Wayne Quillam.
I've actually followed Wayne on Instagram. He takes some pretty deadly photos.
Oh, true. Yeah. Well, shout out to Wayne if you're watching. We'll make sure to check you out. That's great. Okay. Did you want to hold it, sis?
Yeah.
Look
at this front cover.
Oh, no, I love this. This is
so
precious.
Nice seeing our items on there and
celebrate identity.
Yeah. And just seeing ourselves in books, hey?
Yeah, so important. All right. This is my body. And they've done a drawing there. And look at this fella, he's painted up too. Body.
This is my head.
And I forgot to mention, I put a few words throughout the book, and this is something that you can do at home, and I'm really passionate about this, is if you, know your language, you can just write on a piece of paper and stick the blue tack on there, and then you're practicing your language while you're reading stories. So this here for head is Gabbara, and that's in my language, Darug Lang. So Gabbara. Here are my eyes. Look at this bubba.
So cute.
Beautiful. And the drawing over there too.
And how do you say it in your language?
That one is Maya.
And in my language, and in Goreng language, it would be meal.
Meal. Here is my nose. And we say Nagara. Nose. Deadly drawing.
We say muru. Go nose.
This is my mouth. Look at this big mouth that they've drawn there. Those sharp teeth. Mouth.
And we say game. What do you say?
Walan. Walan.
Oh, I'm missing one. Oh, there we go. These are my arms. Let's get these colours of the flags.
Deadly. Arms. We say minning.
So deadly that these little ones have been able to contribute to the book.
Mm-hmm. Imagine that, saying when you grow up, like, yeah, I've written a book. I've been in a book. I've helped draw the pictures.
Here is my hand. There we go.
Damara, hand.
Here are my legs. Strong legs to jump up and down with.
We are strong. Hey, look at everyone showing their muscles
So
there.
deadly.
And I thought I would just put here, it's a bit of a funny one, but in my language we say butt. So that's for heart. And we're going to talk a little bit more about hearts in a minute.
Got the rainbow. The end.
Beautiful. My body. And like Kim was saying too, you could write this with your little one. You can write your language and stick that on for him
That
to
sounds
learn
deadly.
as well. Hey. Okay, we're going to get into our activity now. We're going to talk more about that butt, like I said, hey? Okay, you mob. So we are going to do an activity. We were just speaking about the heart. So we're going to make a bit of a replication of the heart and showing you how the blood pumps through the valves and goes through our body, and how important it is that we keep our hearts healthy and strong, because that's what delivers the oxygen and nutrients through our body. Isn't that right, sis?
Yeah, that's right. And we can have a bit of a yarn while we're doing it. Like, what else keeps our hearts healthy?
That's right. So
What's your deadly choice?
Yeah, tell us. Put it in the comments. Go on. You know you want to. Let's go. So we're going to make the blood now. So did you want to put some water in,
let's do that.
sis? So we can fill it up, maybe just over halfway. And these are things that you probably have around kindy or at home. So we've got some straws, balloon and a little water balloon here, but you can use 2 balloons, some rubber bands and some scissors. So we'll do 1, 2, 3. That should be enough, I think. Did you want to mix that with the straw, sis?
Let's do it.
Oh. Can everybody see that? Deadly.
There we go.
And that's what's running through our veins, isn't it?
Yeah.
Our heart is pumping it all around our body. Okay, so next up, we're going to cut the kind of the stem off the balloon. I don't know the technical term, but you know.
You can see.
You can see what I mean. So we'll cut this. Oh, I think I've used this with something.
Oh, no, I use that with the double-sided sticky tape.
That would be it. That's all good. I might cut just a little bit more and see how we go. And we've been talking about science activities, hey?
Yeah.
So this is all a bit trial and error. I think I need to do, this one isn't too stretchy, so we'll go.
And it's always nice to talk about trial and error. Hey, it doesn't matter, you know, how many times you have to try something. It doesn't matter whether you have to go back and research it or if you get it right the first time.
Yeah.
Like, and even if you do get it right the first time, like, how can you do something, you know, again? Or how can you extend on it to make it even deadlier?
That's right. Okay. So we need to pull this over the edges a little bit. Here, yeah, you help me, sis. Come on.
Teamwork.
That's right.
We all have to work in a team. That's how we get these things done.
Okay.
There we go.
I think that should be okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Got a rubber
We'll
band.
soon find out.
Make it a little bit more stable.
That's right. And now what we're going to do is we're going to poke some holes in there. So we need 2 holes for the 2 straws, which will replicate our heart. Okay, so we'll poke that through. 1 little spot there, 1 on the other side. And then, sis, do you want to help me? We're going to push the straws through, and it should go through. Oh, maybe I didn't. Did you get yours?
Ooh. I can't even see. Oh, yeah. There's a little hole. Let me see. Oh, there we go.
You got it? Okay, you can do this one too since you're so deadly.
The holes are so small I can't see.
I know. Do you need to make another one or?
Oh, hang on. There it is.
You got it? Okay.
Sometimes you just have to be a little bit patient.
That's
there
right.
we go.
And if we used the scissors, it probably would have been easier. But trial and error, science. We love to see it.
Always using your brain, always thinking, being persistent.
Okay. Would you like to do the honours of pumping the heart? I will hold the straw out here. And let's see how we go. Hey! So that's like our heart pushing the blood through our veins. Look at that.
How deadly is this? Now what's this?
And this one here.
You can feel the air.
Yeah, that's
going back
right.
into it.
And there's all different chambers and parts to our heart as well. But this is a good one for our young ones, just to understand how when something is pumping and open and closing, that this is how the blood travels through. And it goes all through your whole body. You know, if you've had a little cut on your hand or somewhere else, or you've scraped your knees, you know that
I'm just having too much fun.
Yeah, look at you go there. Look. This heart's running out of blood. We need some more. And that's what, you know, it will go back through and filter through and clean through. So, deadly.
That is such a deadly experiment.
Yeah. If you do that one at home, please let us know. We'd love to see what you get up to. All right, we're going to head off now. We're going to sing I Am Deadly.
Sounds good.
Okay. I am deadly, I am deadly, look at me. And you'll see someone that is deadly, very, very deadly. That is me. Yes, that's me.
It's you.
And you. All right, we'll catch you next time. Thank you for joining us.
Bye.
Bye, Mob.